Good morning, YouTube. What is up? Today is gonna be a fun little day. Before we get started into this video, we turn on this loud ass truck. We ordered some tires from American Muscle online, and we got those tires within 2 days. They did phenomenal with the delivery. The only issue is that they sent me the wrong size. So without any more questions, let's go ahead and give this baby a cold start and wake up everybody in this fucking neighborhood. Look at this steering wheel, bro. It looks like I've been biting the shit out of it. But just a heads up, that's how I got the truck. I haven't done into cosmetics, as you can see. But there you have it. Pretty wicked cold start. So while this puppet warms up, real quick, I'm gonna go inside, grab those tires, load them onto the truck, go get some labels and send them out to FedEx, so we can get those the size that we need, right? Jesus, buddy, this thing is loud. I gotta scream so I can hear it. That's crazy. Ah, too cold for that. Too cold for that. So guys, as you can see here, we got us a set of 315/30 ZI-20s, and it's gonna fit. The only issue is that we're actually running 315/35s ZI-20s. Of course, these are just the back ones. Blow these babies up. Oh. Look how thick these joints is, bro. Get this banger video going. Give you a little POV of the drop off. So just like that, the truck is already warmed up. We are low on gas already, which fucking sucks. Okay, it doesn't suck. I'm not gonna cap it. It doesn't suck. What sucks is you having a big ass V8 that consumes a lot of gas. And not just regular. I mean, it's regular gas, right? It pumps 93. So this truck is currently tuned to 93. Talk more about the truck in the next video. We're gonna do a whole video on Sally. Talk to y'all and walk y'all through what we've done to the truck. Actually, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this truck or if I'm gonna sell it. We'll talk about that one later on. I really don't want to sell it, but help for me. I would have the cash in hand. We can do bigger things, but no, first vehicle is always a hard one. Without that, let's get into this video and let's see where we go. I mean, of course I know where we're going, but you know, we'll see where this video takes us, guys. Stop making fun of me. My head hurts with this fucking hat on, bro. Ow. That hurts. My back of my head hurts. Is this turning the fucking way, bro? Not good. That is not good, buddy. That is not the time. That is not the time. Ah! That's what I get for fucking recording. Okay. Get it together, Lewis. Hey guys, so basically what we're doing today, we're just gonna go ahead and drop off these tires. So we bought actually the cheapest tires that we could find, because for some reason tires right now have gotten so expensive, bro, which is so crazy. So we just decided to order them brand new. We got them offline. They shipped it out within 2 days, which is pretty amazing. Perfect condition. The only issue was that the tires are the wrong size. The tires will fit on the car. The only issue is that we are actually running 315s 35/40s. What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Basically what we got was 315/30/40s. No, what the fuck am I saying? What? It's too early. I'm sorry. It is really early, bro. The car's supposed to be running on 315/35/20s. Well, we got 315s 30/20s. As many of y'all know, the 30 is a small width tire. So our 35 would probably be like this much. A 30 is like this much. So it's a good difference. We had some issues in the past with curb rashing. I was skeptic of putting on those 30s just because I'm not a fan of a really skinny tire, because anything can go sideways, right? If I had the money to, you know, like laying around and I was like, fuck it, let's put those 30s on. Hopefully like nothing happens, but if something happens, I know I got money on the side to, you know, replace the rim or replace the tire, I would have done it. But I am currently down bad, right? So we gotta do what we gotta do. And these tires ain't gonna cut it for us as of now. sadly. Within 24 hours, 48 hours, we get the new ones again. Hopefully everything goes well at FedEx. It's always something, but I hope it's nothing today because I gotta be at work at 8:40. I got an hour to go. We're gonna go ahead, drop off these tires, get everything done today. We'll be doing content back on the Charger. Right now the car's sitting immaculate. I love how the car sits. It's just really low, but I mean, it's manageable. If you know, you know. We're good with where it's at right now. I'm gonna give you a little pull, a little small pull, just so I can see what the truck is currently doing. It's not super cold, it's 46. Will the tires hook? I don't know, but oh, never mind, we can't do a pull. Look at all those cops. Ooh, good thing I turned around because I was literally about to bang it right here. Oh, the truck is really loud. We don't need them fools behind us right now, boys. We're gonna be there at 8:07, perfect time. I don't know why I had the damn AC on. The AC wasn't on, bro, but for some reason this truck, it doesn't turn off at all. I don't know if it's because it's an old truck, old as shit. But the AC doesn't, nothing turns off. I have it on 0, as you can see, but the thing still comes out. Well, thank you, baby girl. Let's see if we can do a little pull on 3rd gear. Put the tune on, give it that little rev match. Crispy, buddy. Okay, so now I don't even know if I'm on drive, so I gotta. Okay, that's neutral. We're back on drive. I need to fix that. If y'all know anybody in Houston who does dash work and is, you know, willing to help a boy out, let me know. Comment down below. I'm gonna pull up on them and we're gonna get this truck looking nice. If we don't sell it, we gotta remind myself. This is what I mean, bro. This is why we get traffic. Who is driving at 50 on the down freeway? That don't make no sense. No type of sense, buddy. So we're back on track. And Jesus Christ, let me tell you, is this truck stupid loud. It's loud to where in the mornings, if I wake up in a bad mood, I am so annoyed by it. And keep in mind, this is my daily driver. So like, I gotta hear this all the time. And like, if you wake up in a good mood, like you love it. Like I ain't gonna lie, I love the truck. I love how it sounds. It is on open headers. I have the exhaust back at home. I took it out because we had some issues on it. And oh my God, it got hot, bro. Why does this not turn off? So yeah, the truck is really loud, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I need to put the exhaust back on and it's gonna sound nice. It's still gonna be loud. It's not gonna sound rowdy like this is right now. It's not it, bro. It's not giving the good morning vibes. It's not. So we need to do something about the exhaust, hopefully, pretty soon. This hat is so heavy with the GoPro on, bro. It's crazy. It's making my head hurt. I know I already said that, but we do what we gotta do. We do have the head strap. It's on the wrong. I do have the head strap that goes on the GoPro. You're probably like, hey, Lewis, why don't you put the head strap on? It helps out with your head. I don't have a haircut, bro. If y'all wore a head strap before, y'all know how that thing goes. As the line comes down the middle, the line's going to the side. So I would make my hair flat just from the middle and I would look stupid. I mean, I already look stupid without a haircut. But I don't want to look stupider. That's the point. What can we talk about? What can we talk about? What can we talk about? I'm hungry. Want to talk about food? Ooh. I don't know about y'all, bro, but I'm scared of heights. I'm scared of heights no matter what the fuck I'm in. If I'm in the car, I'm scared of heights. I don't do roller coasters because of that. One, they go stupid fast. And 2, they go really high. And I don't trust no machine unless I'm controlling it, bro. I'm gonna just leave it like that. I know I need to get over that fear. It's not a good thing, but hopefully we get over it. Am I in a rush to get over it? No. I don't even know where I'm going. I gotta keep looking at the maps. So we're gonna try to do another little pull for y'all. 2, 3. Gets old. And I know he's not the fastest, but for me, from where I come from, I didn't have this. This is the a big ass accomplishment for me. So I thank God. I thank everybody who's helped me out because we made this happen. I know I'm not where I want to be at. I do know that I am where I don't want to be at. You know what I mean? So thank God for everything. Thank God for today. Thank God for tomorrow. Thank God for yesterday, bro. And we're just gonna keep striving. If we don't sell this truck, my goal is to be at the 700 horsepower rank. Imagine a 05 Sierra single cab beating a Hellcat, bro. That's crazy. With like half of the budget that you buy a Hellcat for. I know you don't get the looks for a truck to be at a Hellcat rank. For me, I think that's fucking cool. I think that's badass. If we don't sell it, guys, we're looking at 700 horsepower within the next year. Hopefully we can get that done if we don't sell it. And if we sell it, then hopefully I can buy another one down the road. You know, it's not a big issue. And if we don't sell it, we're gonna be looking at this truck on a whole different perspective. And it's gonna be way, way faster. If we do keep this truck, I am gonna need a daily driver. It could be a clapped out Honda, it could be a nice Honda. I don't care what it is. As long as it's saving me gas and my girl can fit next to me, bro, we're Gucci. And why does it look like FedEx is closed? Why? Where the fuck is everybody at? Don't tell me they're closed, bro. Cause that's gonna suck. Ah, bro. Who opens at 9 in the morning on a fucking Saturday, dude? Bro, yesterday when I checked it out, it said they open at 8 in the morning. How you gonna do me like that? God damn, and I gotta be at work at 9 in the morning. Ah, this is not good. Bro, I could have sworn it said 8 in the morning yesterday when I looked at it. So just like that, guys, they're closed. We're gonna have to come back after work. Hopefully we don't get out too late. I'll meet y'all back when I'm back. That doesn't make sense.
24 hours later.
Yesterday I couldn't drop off the tires, unfortunately. I got out late at work, but it's all good, man. We're here today. They're open. You got the tires in the back, my guys. We're finna go inside real quick and get these shipped out again. And like I said, hopefully get the new tires back in. Now we gotta probably wait till like Tuesday or Wednesday, but it's all good. Oh yeah, we gotta remove these tags. That's one. This is the actual label of the tire, 315/30Z R20s XL, Atturo.com. I've never heard of this brand. Once again, I said this in the first time we bought these same tires, but they are cheap, man. I do gotta say, we paid $300 plus taxes, $356 for 2 brand new tires. You can't beat that price. These are heavy as shit. Your boy looking fresh, bro. We got the skinny jeans on, my fat ass. You already know we got the Vans. Playboy shirt. Got that Playboy shirt. Good morning. Good afternoon, my bad. Yeah, my bad.
You took them out today or you're labeled already?
I got labels on my phone.
Perfect. Is it 2 labels?
2 labels.
Perfect.
Yeah. Alright guys, we got these joints out the way. It's currently 2:38 on a Sunday. I appreciate all of y'all for watching, guys. Drop a like, a comment if you have any questions. I'll be putting the link down below. Y'all can check them out if y'all want to purchase some tires. See y'all soon. Till the next one.